Okay, so this is our first vlog post. The start of our epic road trip begins right now. We were originally going to Glacier National Park, but the smoke situation up there is pretty intense, to say the least, as it is most of the northwestern United States. Actually, I guess down to the south as well, but there's Samantha. We're about to finish loading the van up. Let's go take a look, check it out. All right, there's Hujaca down there waiting for us. All set, ready to roll. All right. Pumping away some solar rays right there. All right. Okay, we're going inside.
Hi.
Show us the inside, Samantha. What do we have packed for this trip so far?
So far we have hardly any food, but...
So we're drinking beer, wine, and eating rice. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, that should work, I guess. So final thing we have to wrap up is say goodbye to the dogs. Oh boy. Hi, Humphrey. We'll see you next week. Say bye, Captain.
He doesn't. Where did you put the remote for the
Starting the road trip. This is what I'm leaning for right now is El Sancho. Just for perspective, this thing's a solid,
that thing's great.
probably 14 inches long. I'm definitely not eating all this. Samantha wasn't hungry. We realized we forgot to take out all the trash, and since we're gonna be gone for over a week, we decided we had to go back. So now we're hitting the road for real. Are you excited, Samantha?
Yes.
It's extremely hot outside. We've got our air conditioning blasting on 3 out of 4 and it's barely keeping up. Samantha says nobody wants footage of this, but here we are at Costco getting gas. I don't know if we even told you yet where we're going. We're headed south. We're going south on 395 from Reno, and we're headed towards Yosemite, Tioga Pass area, and we're not gonna go all the way to Yosemite today, but prospects of there not being too much smoke looks pretty good down this way, so we have our fingers crossed, but there's a couple couple wild camping places we want to check out up around 10,000 feet up near Tioga Pass, so we're gonna have a look at that and see what we can find. Next stop is you guessed it, Trader Joe's.
Are you okay? Yeah, I'm fine. Been trying to get a hold of you all night. We haven't talked in months, but that's alright. Was wondering if you wanted to go for a drive. I just need some fresh air and an old friend.
About to pick up some coffee for the morning. What kind of coffee do you want, Samantha?
I don't know.
Does this vlogging thing make you nervous?
It's just weird. I'm trying to remember what I need to buy and you keep throwing that thing in my face.
If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat. We can drive around to the sky and see meet. If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat. I got my hands out the window, feeling the ocean breeze.
We just drove through Bridgeport, and normally, or at least occasionally, we have stopped by the Travertine Hot Springs as well as the Buckeye Hot Springs, but since this is the weekend leading up to Burning Man, decided to pass by it this time. Not really worth all the crowds that I'm sure will be there.
All right, we just stopped at the Mono Lake viewpoint. The smoke situation, I would say, is not all that bad. We'll catch you at the next stop. All right, so we made it to the bottom of Tioga Pass Road. This is the mobile station that has Wonelli Deli and all sorts of provisions inside. Stopped for a little cheeky coffee. And just to take in some views of Mono Lake. Where we're camping tonight, I think is going to be around 10,000 feet. It's already pretty pretty cool
Yeah, it's a
right
little
here.
chilly.
So, could be in for a cool night. Might have to fire up the old furnace. Alright, so we made it to our first campsite for the night. I don't know if you can see it, but we're just outside of Yosemite at a free campground, and it is beautiful. There's a couple other cars around here, but honestly, not bad for free. It's cool, there's a light breeze, there's a stream running in the background. Can't really beat it.
We're right outside of Yosemite, right off of 120. We have a river running right behind our van, so we can't hear even our neighbors. Right now, we are just celebrating being here on our first day of vacation with a beer that we've never had before, but because there's a bus on it, we had to get it. And we're about to play a game called Monopoly Deal. If you have not heard of Monopoly Deal, you should definitely look into it. It's Monopoly, but in like 7 minutes, so it's actually better than Monopoly. And that's it.
So the verdict is VW Bus Ale is not that good. Do not recommend, but that label is sweet. Let's see if it'll focus on it. There it is, yeah. Alright, anyway, tomorrow morning we're gonna wake up early-ish and try to get into the park, and then hopefully find a real campsite down there, a first come first serve one. I don't know if we'll find one or not, but that's what we're hoping for. Probably just make some dinner, finish playing Monopoly Deal, and that'll be it. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a good one.